Because files are created externally, files cannot be modified within Canvas. So if you want to change your syllabus from last semester that is in a Word document, for example, you'll need to download it from Canvas onto your computer or locate it on your computer if you have it saved. Open it using the software application that it was created with, make your changes, save it, and then upload it again. It is best practice to hide the Files tab from your students by going to Settings and then Navigation, and then dragging the Files tab down below this line and then clicking Save. Then you will add the file to the appropriate module, requiring students to go through the modules to access your files in the order that fits best with the design of your course. You can upload a file directly to a module by clicking on the plus sign within the module, selecting File from the drop-down menu, clicking Create Files at the top of the list, and then click Choose File. You'll see the file name next to the Choose File button, and then click Add Item. This will save you the step of uploading the file into the Files tab and then adding it to a module, but the file will still be housed in the Files tab. If you want to upload a file or multiple files directly to the Files tab, click on Files in the left-hand nav and click the Upload button in the upper right corner. Click on the rocket to see the files that are saved on your computer. You can select one file or hold in the Control button on your keyboard to select multiple files and click Open to upload, or you can also drag and drop files from your computer into Canvas. If you have a large number of files, more than 50, that you want to upload at once, it's best to put them into a zip folder and upload the whole folder into Canvas. Within the Files tab of a course, you can organize your files into folders by clicking the Add Folder button in the upper right-hand corner. You can then drag and drop files into the folder. You can also bulk delete, publish, download, or move files by checking the boxes next to the file or folder name to select them, and then clicking the download icon, the trash icon, or the kebab to edit permissions or move the files to a folder. To make changes to an individual file, click on the three dots to the right of the file name to view the options menu. From here you can rename the file, download a copy onto your computer, edit permissions for student file access, send a copy of the file to another CCC Canvas user, copy the file to another course, move it to a folder, share it to Commons, or delete the file. Editing the permissions for the file gives you the same options as clicking on the icon in the status column. In either place, you can set permissions for student access of a file. Just as with all items in Canvas, files must be published for students to access them. You also have the option to set a date on which the file will become available to the students.